In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change text alignment for the entire table. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. All right, now as you can see here, I have this table with text aligned on the left. However, I wish to center all the text for all the cells in this table. To do this is quite simple. Just go ahead and select the whole table by just clicking on this sign here, and this will make the whole table selected. Then head over to table layout, and then we have an option to choose the text alignment from this. If I choose center, we can align this to the center and the whole text will be aligned to the center. So that's how you can change text alignment on your tables in Microsoft Word. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.